Cancer season is all about the calmness of the waters, but also the turmoil of the ocean waters. Today we are making a drink to represent just that. A Cancerian drink to bring you closer to your soul's calmness and the treacherous parts of life. So, today's astrological drink, we are making the Cancer drink. The theme of this drink is all about the beaches of water, ocean, lakes, the blue of the ocean, the sparkle of the sun on the waves, and how life is all about light and dark, up and down. Cancer. So, for today's drink, it's going to be a really fun one. We are going to rim a glass with beach sand. Now, I know what you're thinking. What? Beach sand? No, it's dark brown sugar, but it looks like beach sand. Look, it's even got the little shiny things that beach sand has. So how do we rim a glass with beach sand? Well, if you put your glass in, it doesn't really rim. You gotta make the rim sticky. Honey. So take a little bit of honey. If you have like a liquid, you could pour it, or if it's a little bit thicker, like mine is, make sure you wash your hands, and then you just line your rim of the glass with some sweet nectar of life. You can also use agave. Agave is sweet and sticky. Honey is stickier than agave, where agave is a little bit more runny. Don't waste that precious nectar. And then, loosen up your brown sugar and rim your glass in the beach sand. Just like that. Ta-da! Now we have a sand-rimmed glass. The next thing we're going to add is ice, because nothing like a cold drink on a hot beach day. 1 or 2 ice cubes is good. We don't need anything crazy. You're gonna think, oh, there is a big butterfly trying to get in the house. Wow. Alright, you're gonna think I'm absolutely crazy, but tropical vibes. Coconut milk. Unsweetened, can get a flavor one, whatever you want. We're gonna start with some coconut milk, but just like a tablespoon. Because the point of this drink isn't about drinking milk. It's about the coconut vibes of the beachy ocean. And what color is the ocean? Blue. Now, this is where you can decide if you want to make an alcoholic drink or a non-alcoholic drink. The alcoholic version, you can use any type of blue liqueur that you think would taste good. I'm using blue tropical sourpuss. You can also use blue Curaçao or any kind of other blue liquor, or non-alcoholic version, just some blue food coloring. Or you can brew a tea that turns blue. So you're probably going to want to add like an ounce or 2. Look at that. You know how when the waves crest on the beach, the top of the wave is white and the bottom is blue? We got ourselves an ocean drink. Now, drinking milk and sourpuss doesn't sound like the nicest thing, so you're going to add either a sparkling water, or you can go probiotic and do a kombucha. You can do plain kombucha, you can use a flavored kombucha. Like I said, you could do plain sparkling water like club soda, or you could do flavored sparkling water. This is where you can get creative with your drink. It's not about a to-do recipe. This is about being creative, and I'm just giving you a little key to how we can start this. So now is where we're going to add our bubbly, and I'm choosing the Island Mango Kombucha because, again, we're going tropical vibes here. You're going to want to very gently pour it, so you're not going to mix up that layer too much. Just like that, okay? And then we're gonna pour a little bit more let it settle for that layered effect. Give it like a minute, just set it down, let it settle. Now the last thing we're going to do is imagine what the waters of an ocean looks like in the sun when it hits it. It's glittery, right? So we're gonna take an edible glitter and top our drink off with that. Because astrology and astrological signs are all about living your best life. And gently stir. And what better way to stir than with a festive tropical stir stick. You can get these at any dollar store. Now that we finished stirring, you have yourself a finished tropical Cancerian energy kind of drink. Does that not look like an ocean in a cup? A beach in a cup? You can even leave the stir stick in for a little vibe. How beautiful is this cocktail or mocktail, whichever you decide. Cheers, you guys. Time to taste test. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Very sour, but then the sweet rim really counteracts with the sour, or more like is cohesive. So it's like sour and sweet. I definitely thought the rim would be too sweet, but because the drink itself is so sour, you want a nice balance of both. And that is ultimately what Cancer is. It's about balancing the waves of life, the rough waters, the calm waters, the hot and sunny beaches, the rainy monsoon shores. Cancer season is about feeling all of it, the ups and the downs, and that is all a part of life, and there's nothing bad about it. It is all beautiful. So here is our Cancer drink. I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget to make it your own. Tag me Food Friday with Samy Bee if you make it, and I will see you in the next astrological season. Bye guys.